it's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm just going to be basically updating you guys on what's been going on the last few days or so. First of all, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos in general. Just thank you in general. Like I'm really appreciative of you guys. My last video reviewing the Mustang GT did really well, so I was excited to see that. I got a few more subscribers, so to all you guys that are new, welcome. As you guys can tell probably by either the title or the thumbnail, yes, my Camaro Bruce suffered a gas leak the other day. So when I got in the car, I was going to my friend's house and I started it up, and as I was backing out of the driveway, I started smelling gas, and I was like, that's weird. I was like, maybe it's not me. Maybe, you know, our neighbors left a gas tank out, or, you know, we have some other neighbors that like to ride their dirt bikes and stuff up and down the street, so I thought maybe it was one of them passing by. I don't know. But I didn't think it was me, because I was like, why would it be me? Why would my car be leaking gas? So, didn't think much of it. I go up the street. When I stop at a stoplight, I have my windows down, and I smell gas again. But then again, I didn't think much of it at that time because I was right next to a gas station. So I was like, oh, it's just a gas station. It's not me. So as I slowly start going to my friend's house, as I'm driving down the highway, I know I burned through gas because clearly it's a V8, but I slowly started seeing the needle just moving just right on along. And I'm like, there is no way I'm going through gas this quickly. And I was like, am I really leaking gas right now? So when I get to my friend's house, I pull over and she tells me, she's like, I said, what is that smell? And I was like, it's got to be me. I'm leaking gas. So I get out, I check under it. And of course, I don't have the car here to show you guys where in the area that I'm talking about, because it's still at the shop. So it was right under the gas tank, and it looks like a little black connector piece. If I look up a picture, I'll try to show you guys. Look like a little black connector piece that went to the fuel line or something. So that little connector piece, the black piece, was dripping the gasoline, and it wasn't like a little bloop bloop, it was like steady dripping. And I'm like, what the heck just happened? So I have no idea how it happened, honestly. I don't know, like, if I hit something in the road at some point, because I'm like, the last time I drove it, I didn't smell anything, or, you know, nothing was out of the ordinary. So I'm like, what happened in 24 hours that suddenly my gas or my fuel line is an issue? So clearly, as this car is leaking gas profusely, I go inside because the smell is really strong. I go inside her house. I call the our towing company, and they recommended that I need to call the fire department. And I'm like, oh my god! So I got to do that too. So the fire truck arrived, and two of the guys got out, and I was telling them, you know, what the issue was. But really, we spent more time talking about my car and, you know, the stuff that I do, and like my YouTube channel. We spent more time talking about the car than the actual issue. So, but both of them, they were really cool, and they were very helpful. I thank them for their service. But yeah, so after that, after they put the absorbent down and they left, I was basically waiting on the tow truck driver to get there. They told me, you know, I can't start it up because by the time the fire truck got there, the leaking had stopped. So I guess it only leaks when the car is running while it's pushing fuel through the system. So it had stopped leaking by then. So of course, by the time the tow truck driver put the car on the bed, he made sure not to start it. And where he took it, you know, just can't start unless it's going to start leaking. So that really sucks. And I'm waiting for them to get back to me to see if my extended warranty will cover this. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm waiting for an answer for that. I think tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow is Tuesday for me. I'm not sure when tomorrow will be for you guys by the time you see this video. So that's been the issue I've been having today. So you know, it sucks when you got to deal with stuff like this, but you know, it happens, and I'm really just hoping for the best. Of course, I'll let you guys know what they say. The warranty will cover the damage if they think it's a faulty piece. They will not cover the damage if the inspector gets there and determines that it looks more like a road hazard caused the issue, or like, you know, it was knocked up against something or something like that, which I'm like, I thought warranties cover anything regardless, but I don't know. I'm not going to get into that because I feel like I don't want to feel like it's a waste to have one, because it's not, but I really hope it comes through. So now that that story is out of the way, I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on and just waiting for the car to come back because I certainly miss it. Finally, we got a few days without it raining, so of course I really want to drive it, but now I can't. So hopefully I'll get that back soon. In the meantime, I wanted to ask you guys a question. I was thinking about painting my brake calipers on the Camaro, but I've been torn in between which option to get, because I'm not sure if you guys have heard about MGP caliper covers. They have those, and I looked into it. I kind of saw, it's easy application. Apparently they don't fade or, dull out or anything. They don't really get scratched too easily, and of course you can get whatever you want engraved on them or whatever color. Of course it's an upcharge if you get whatever customized color, but that option's still there. But when I saw the MGP caliper covers, I kind of thought it looked a little cheap. So I was like, in the car community, are people going to look at me like I'm trying to pretend I have Brembo brakes or something like that? So I was kind of hesitant about it, and I was like, maybe I should just get them painted. But then people say, well, if you get them painted, they're going to fade in like a couple years or something. So it's like, do you pay a certain amount now and then pay it again later? Or do you just pay whatever amount for the MGP caliper covers and just go on about your way? So hard to say. I think I'm leaning more towards getting them painted still, just because, you'll be able to see the outline of the brake itself. I was going to get it painted custom paint matched to the red of the vehicle. So that would look a little more authentic, because I could have gone just red, but I felt like it would have kind of clashed with the red that's on Bruce. So, and I would get white lettering, like probably for the front brakes, since they're the bigger ones. I'll probably get Camaro on those and get SS on the back brake calipers. So I think it'll look pretty good. I think roughly that paint job would cost, plus the stickers and everything, that would probably cost around $250, I think. When I was looking at the MGP caliper covers, after I like placed a pretend order and everything, after it was all said and done, that cost about $350. So it's like, do you pay an extra $100 to get a cover that doesn't really show the Brembos, but it might last longer, or, So I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm still leaning towards the painting portion, or the painting option. But let me know what you guys think. If you've seen people out there with the MGP caliper covers, what do you think? How do they look to you? Do they look cheap? Do they look kind of like, tuner type or ricer material? I don't know. I was kind of asking around the car community like how they felt about them, but some people really like them. So just let me know your thoughts, and depending on how this warranty goes will depend on how soon I get these brakes painted, because they're really faded, they're really gray, and they would just look so much better if they stand out. So I'm really excited to get them painted, but like I said, we'll have to see. But anyways, I just wanted to update you guys on that, and I have another car review coming this week. I'll be doing a review on Wednesday, I believe, so I'm not sure what day the video will be up for you guys. I have a very busy weekend coming up, and I'm either going to post a video maybe Friday or not until like Sunday or Monday. But either way, just make sure you stay tuned in. If you're new here, you can certainly hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the little post notification bell right next to the subscribe button, so that way you can know when I post my video. Because like I said, I got a lot of stuff going on this week, so I'm not sure what day I might post, but I still try to post twice a week. That's my goal. So yeah, so just stay tuned, and you guys will see what kind of car review I have coming for you next time. Like I said, sorry this video wasn't super exciting, but I just wanted to update you guys. And it would have been more exciting, but the drag strip got canceled this last weekend because of all the rain, so I was really disappointed about that, because I would have had such an exciting video for you guys. But do not worry, I'm trying my best to get to another drag strip, either this coming weekend or the next weekend. We'll have to see. And also, really quickly, I wanted to let you guys know that whenever I hit 300 subscribers, I would like to do a Q&A video with you guys. So if you guys wouldn't mind sharing some of my content to someone else that might enjoy it, I would really appreciate it. And once we get to 300, I'll probably post something on Instagram, and I'll let you guys ask me a few questions that I'll answer in the in my next video whenever that happens. But of course, don't ask me anything personal because I will not answer it. But yeah, just stick to that. Stay tuned. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's pretty chill. And but still, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.